If you work in a GxP-regulated company, pharma, biotech, or medical device, you already know the pain. Validation takes months, costs a fortune, and at the end of it, auditors still find gaps. That's because most companies are still using a 20-year-old approach called computer system validation, or CSV. In a world that has completely changed, traditional CSV forces you to test everything, document everything, validate everything, whether it impacts patient safety or not. Mountains of paperwork, burned budgets, delayed product launches. But the FDA just changed everything. In September 2025, they released Computer Software Assurance Guidance, and on February 2nd, 2026, ISO 13485 harmonization made this the new standard, and on February 3rd, 2026, the FDA released the updated version of Computer Software Assurance Guidance. CSA is a risk-based approach that cuts validation time by 60 to 70% and cost by 50 to 60%. Here's how it works. 4 simple steps. Step 1. Identify what the software actually does. Step 2. Determine if failure foreseeably compromises safety. High risk, more testing. Low risk, less testing. Step 3. Test proportionally. Not everything needs 500-page protocols. Step 4. Document just enough to prove it works. Instead of 2,000 pages, you might need 1 page for low-risk systems or 50 pages for high-risk, but never the one-size-fits-all approach that is killing your timeline. In my course, you get the complete blueprint, the 4-step framework decoded, 30 ready-to-use templates, real FDA case studies, and a 90-day roadmap to get audit-ready. You'll validate a system in 90 days instead of 18 months. You'll save hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you'll pass FDA audits with confidence. The FDA gave you the framework. I'm giving you the implementation blueprint. Stop wasting time and money on outdated validation. Start today. Click the button below to enroll in the FDA CSA Implementation Blueprint and get audit ready in 90 days.